Welcome to my Solidworks channel. Today's post: folding square tubing, two corners on the same plane. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a sketch on the front plane. Step 2. Make square tube. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5 mm. Select the locate profile. Select this point. Resize the square tubing size. (30 times 1.5 square tubing). Step 3. Create sheet metal. Select the initial sketch. Select Sheet Metal tab. Create a sheet metal. Direction 1. Select up to vertex. Choose this point. Directions 2. Select up to vertex. And the second point. The thickness is 1.5 mm. R is 1.5 mm. Step 4. Process the model and combine. Create a sketch on the front plane. Draw a concentric circle with a bending angle. Use the extruded cut command. Cut off the remainder of the weldments. Direction 1. Through all both. Select Insert Features Combine. Select All and Add. Flat spread. Check. The tube length is not on the main coordinate axes X, Y, or Z. Edit flat pattern. Select the fixed plane. Is this plane? Square tube length according to X coordinates. Our model is done. We can modify it to create a new model by correcting the side length and bending angle. Select Edit Sketch. Fixed length to 100 to 300 millimeters. Bending angle 120 to 150 degree. Or we can resize the square tube by editing the sketch. Resizing square tube 30 times 1.5 m into 50 times 2 square tubal. Resize the sheet metal thickness by the thickness of square tube. Edit sheet metal. Fixed thickness is 2 millimeters, or 2 millimeters. So we've done the new model. The last step is to save the step file and simulate cutting with TubeKit software. Flatten. Save step file. Open TubeKit software. Select the new step file. Simulation of cutting. Choose quantity is 2 tubes. And nest. Export CNC code. This is the CNC file for cutting the square tube. Thank you for following today's lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Goodbye and see you later.